Polygon command in AutoCAD. Let's see how we can use the polygon command in AutoCAD. If you want to get the polygon command, all you need to do, you need to go to the draw layout. Then under the draw layout, you click on this drop down arrow. If you click on this drop down arrow, we have two options. We have rectangle and we have polygon. We already discussed rectangle. Now let's discuss the polygon command. So click on polygon. Now, as you can see, it is asking us to enter the number of sides. So it depends on the number of sides you want. So let's say, for example, we want 6 side polygon. So if you want 6 side polygon, so what you need to do, if you need to type in 6. So after typing 6, you click enter. So now it is going to ask you to specify the center of polygon. So you can click anywhere on the workspace. If you click anywhere on the workspace, as you can see, we have two options. So we have an inscribed in circle and we have a circumscribed about circle. We are going to discuss this very soon. But first of all, click on inscribed in circle. Inscribed in circle. Click on this. Then now, as you can see, this is how your polygon will look like. Your polygon has 6 sides. So if you turn off auto mode, you can customize how your polygon will look like, you see. So you can rotate this around. But if you turn on the auto mode, then your polygon, you can customize how your polygon will look like. Your polygon can only move in 0 degree and 90 degree. As you can see, it can only move 0 degree and 90 degree. So when you are done, you click enter. Okay, so this is how your polygon will look like. So let's see the other option. First of all, we need to draw a circle. So I'm quickly going to draw a circle. So the shortcut command, we already know this, is C, circle. Now specify the first point. So let's say something like this. Okay, escape. So now let's go back to the polygon command. So click here, then click polygon. So it is asking us to specify the number of sides. So the number of sides is 6 sides. Enter. So now it is asking us to specify the center of the polygon. So the center of the polygon is going to be the center of this circle. So if you can locate the center of the circle, all you need to do is take your cursor, move it close to this circle. You are going to see the center of the circle. So this is the center of the circle. Now click at the center. Now we have two options. We have inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle. So let's take a look at inscribed in circle. If you click inscribed in circle, look, if you take your polygon close to the circle, this is how it will look like. You see, so your polygon is going to be inscribed inside the circle. This is how it will look like. Then when you are done, you click on it, and this is how your polygon will look like. So if you want to reactivate the previous command, you just type enter. So if you type enter on your keyboard, this is going to bring out the polygon command. So you type in 6. We have a 6 side. Okay, now you need to specify the center. So this is the center. Click on the center. Now let's take a look at the second option, circumscribe about circle. Click on this. So if you use circumscribe about circle, this is going to go outside the circle. Look, take it closer to the circle. As you can see, look, as you can see, this is how your polygon will look like. So enter. So these are the two options. Then the shortcut for polygon, if you don't want to directly go to the draw layout and click on polygon, you can use the shortcut. The shortcut is you need to type POL. If you type POL on your keyboard, as you can see, the first option is polygon. So you click on enter. So if you click on enter, then you can draw your polygon. So enter the number of sides, 6 side, enter. If you take a look at this box over here, we have specify center of polygon or edge. So if you want to specify the edge of the polygon, you can click on this, click on edge. So if you click on edge, this is what you are going to get. So it is asking us to specify the first endpoint. So click anywhere on the workspace. So if you click anywhere on the workspace, as you can see, look, as you can see, you can increase the size of this edge. You see, as you move from left to right, the size of the edge keep increasing. Let's say you want this to be 10 inches. You can type 10 on your keyboard, 10, enter. So as you can see, this is how your polygon will look like.